Hello friend. Today I will discuss about how to send a message in Python and I will use Twilio library. Okay, so let's start. So I have already created environment folder. So first we will activate the environment file. So venv/script. Okay. So first, I will install the Twilio library. So pip install Twilio. Okay. So it is installing. Uh, so okay. So first, if you use the Twilio. So first you have account Twilio, so where you can get the account SID and or token and Twilio phone number. So I registered here this portal. So I will use this credential and I will show how to send message. I will use the Python language. Okay, so okay, library is installed. So clear this terminal and keep freeze. So okay, this is done. So I will create a requirement.txt file. So requirements.txt. So basically, if you set up another system, so this requirement file is important. So you can normal run the pip install -r requirement file. So our library will install. Okay. So first I open the VS Code. Okay. So I create a file send.py. Okay. So first I put the config file. So config import star and from Twilio dot rest import client. Okay. So I will use the try and exception block. So try and then this here if like I am getting any Twilio API here, so I will catch here. Okay, so client equal to client. Basically, I pass here the account SID and auth token. Okay, so this information you will get from Twilio, like this is account SID and this is a token. Okay, so I have already mentioned this config file. So basically, I have imported here. So I am using okay and message client dot messages dot create and pass here the body. Okay, so normal like if you send any information like messages and any some detail or OTP, so you can pass here in body section. So normal I will send the normal text. This is a test message, okay, in body section and from. So you phone and to which person you will send. So I will pass here the customer customer number. Okay. So normal print here the message dot sid and the print here the success. Okay. Okay. So I will run this code. Okay. File name. What is the file name? Send.py. Okay. So this is a account ID and the auth token you will get from Twilio portal. Okay, so this is a Twilio phone number from, and this is a customer number. Like this is my number. Basically, we will pass the country code +91. Then you can enter the phone number. Okay, so I will run this file. So Python send.py. Okay. Yes, message has been sent. So I got this notification. Okay, so I got the message. This is a test message sent from your trial account. Okay, okay. This is a process that how to send a message in Python. So this code I will upload on GitHub, so where you can get this all the code. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share this video so other person will like get the information. Thank you for watching.